Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful name alphabet friendship bands. Perfect for Friendship Day and super easy to create at home. For this, you'll need yarn threads in at least 2 colors, scissors, and a plastic strip or base to wrap your threads on. That's it. Super simple materials. Before we start the actual band, I'll quickly show you a simple paper demonstration. This will help you understand the pattern and make the knitting process much easier. Here, I've created a small pattern of a heart using a paper strip. We'll follow this same structure while knitting with yarn. Start by taking 8 thread cords horizontally. Now take another yarn thread. This will be your working thread that wraps around the base threads. As I start knitting, you can see the pattern on one side of the screen. I'll follow it step by step, marking each row as we go. Now we begin forming the heart shape. Just follow the pattern carefully. Each line you complete builds the design gradually. Once the heart is complete, we move on to the alphabet design. I'll be making the word love. Wait till the end to see how the name appears magically. Slowly, you'll see the letters coming to life. And here's the final look. A customized name band with a heart and alphabet design. Looks amazing, right? To finish, secure the ends properly, trim the extra threads, and neatly tie or braid the leftover horizontal cords. Perfect as a handmade gift for your friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.